K Supreme Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker, MultiStream Technology, Black. Extracts more flavor and aroma in every brew. *vs Keurig leading K-Classic brewer with the original Donut Shop Coffee K-Cup Pod. Filter type, reusable. Voltage, 120 volts, cord length 28.74, froths milk, no. Customize your cup. Brew a stronger cup, or brew hot over ice for refreshing iced coffee. 66 ounces. Dual position reservoir. Choose the perfect position for optimal counter space. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Fast and fresh brewed. Coffee made in minutes. Back-to-back brewing. Immediately brew a second cup, no need to wait for reheating. Travel mug friendly. Accommodates travel mugs up to 7 inches tall. Get best price, discount and details about this item you can click link in description.